Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Skype has stopped working on your Windows 10 computer. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and open up the Start menu, type in Skype, go on the right panel here, select App Settings. You want to scroll down where it says reset. If the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Go ahead and select repair. And once that's done, I would attempt to restart your computer, relaunch the Skype application, and see if that has resolved the problem. A further thing you can do here is actually go ahead and reset the app, which will delete the app's data. So just keep that in mind. And then again, if you've restarted your computer and you're still having a problem, you can try the reset option. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select reset. Again, once that's done, close out of here, restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.